We'll guide you through how to make a stand in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a stand is really cool because then you can start getting donations. So we'll guide you through this step by step on how you can go and set this up and get donation buttons and more. So to go and get started, you need to find an unclaimed stand in Please Donate. It'll go and say unclaimed at the bottom. If it's claimed, it'll go and say someone's name. Then what you want to do is run up to it and you can tap and hold it to go and claim it like so. Now you're going to go and see I've already gone and set this up. I'll guide you through how it can be done for you. So tap and hold again to go and start editing it. At the top, you'll go and see the booth. You can press edit to the right and you'll see the different options here. When you first get started, you're only going to have that one available. So you can go and select that there. Next, you can go and choose the text. That's what's going to go and say at the top. You can see mine says guide. Press edit to the right. And then what you can do is go and type in what you wanted to go and say. So I could go and type in donate like so and add an exclamation mark and then press the cross. And that'll then go and be updated as you can see. You can go and choose the font. You can tap there and go through the different options. I really like the standard Gotham black, so I'll select that. The color is the color, so I have set mine to white. I just think that stands out, but there are more options you can go and use there to go make it a bit more interesting. Next, you've got the stroke color. So the stroke is going to be the outline of the text. Mine is currently set to black, and you can go and make that more bold by increasing the opacity. So mine is currently set to 0.2, but I could tap and hold to go and increase that like so. Then what you can do is go and choose if you want to go and use rich text, switch that on or off. And you can go down here and see the different customization. You do need VIP, which you can go and get, and then you can go and get more options for customizing your stand. So that's it. The stand is now set up, but you're probably wondering how can you go and add the donation buttons? I've got two, we can add more, or you can even have less if you want to as well. So to get started with this, you need to come out of Please Donate. So press the Roblox icon in the top left and you need to press leave and press leave again. So to go and add donation buttons, these appear when we've got stuff for sale. So therefore we need to go and put things for sale on Roblox to get them. We'll guide you through how you could do this for free. So what you need to do is you need to go to the bottom right and press more. Now you need to go down and find the option for create and you can go and tap there. So on this create page, you can go to the top left and press the three lines and you can then go down and find creations. You want to go into experiences and my experiences and you'll go and find this place here. So you can go and click here. Everybody's going to have one by default. You may find you need to go and double tap as well. Once you're on it, you then need to go to the top left and press the three lines and you can go down and you want to go and find monetization and you can go and find passes. Then what we can do is we can go and press create a pass. So optionally, you can add an image. You can do this. It'll go and make it stand out more because ultimately people can see what they're buying here because they're buying it to donate. Then you can go and add a name. So I could go and type in GR pass. You can go and name it what you like. Just make sure it's the rules. Add a description optionally, and then you can press create pass. Now for it to appear, we also need to go and put it on sale. So go and tap on it here. Once again, you may need to tap it twice. Press the three lines in the top left and press sales, and you can switch on item for sale. Now you can go and type in the price here. So in this case, I want it to be 100. So that would be the donation button. It's important to note Roblox do take 30%. So consider that. Then when you're ready, press save changes. And what you can do is come back and you can go and create more passes, put them on sale to get more donation buttons. When you're ready, you can press the cross in the top left and you want to press the home button in the bottom left and you can return to Please Donate. What you can then do is come to an unclaimed stand and we can go and tap and hold to go and claim it. And as you can see, that's it. We've now got the donation button there. It's that simple. And as I said, you can go and get more as well. So now people can come up to it and start donating to you.